Hi everyone, Charisse here. Welcome to this walkthrough video where I show you how to create your VX Gateway account. So don't forget that this is a training video and you can pause it and restart it and work at your own speed. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and click on the button below that says Create VX Now. So go ahead and click on that button, and when you do, what will happen is you will be directed to a page that looks just like this. So then when you get here, come up here to register and click on that tab, and you need to select what kind of account that you want to create for yourself. So I'm going to create a personal account, and what you need to do next is you need to fill out all the fields within this form here. It's really quite self-explanatory, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a few pointers so that your account is set up and approved straight away. So what I've done is I've already filled out all of these fields, and I know you can't see them because I've blurred them out, but the pointers I want to give you are this. Alright, so you need to make sure that you enter your email address correctly. So don't get that wrong. It's really important that you input it in there correctly. The next thing you need to do is make sure that when you enter your name, your first name here, is that you only include your first name. If you have a middle name, don't include it there. Don't include your initial either. And then the same for your last name. Just put your last name and only your last name. If you have several different last names, and I know some people do, some people go by different names, what you need to do is make sure that the name you are using on this account, alright, is the same name that is on your identity document, so your driver's license or your passport, and the same name that is on your billing document that you will need to send through for verification to VX. Okay, so while we're here talking about addresses, over here, these fields here are the fields that you need to complete and enter your address in. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to make sure that all of these fields match your billing document. Now this is really important, okay, because VX Gateway will want proof that you live at the address which you have put here on this form. So you will need to send through some type of utility document that has your name on it and that also has the exact same address all the way from, you know, the apartment or suite number all the way down to zip code. It needs to be entered exactly as it is on that utility document. If it's not the same, your address will not be verified. Okay, so that's really important that you do that. The next thing you need to do is carry on filling out the form, and the next pointers I want to show you are here. Username. Okay, so your username has to be unique. Nobody else can have used this username in the past, alright? So it has to be a unique name. And I suggest, just like with everything, that your username is recorded somewhere. Your password, okay, you need to confirm your password, so you need to make sure that you enter it correctly, and the first time and the second time they must match. But again, record your password somewhere safe. I can't stress that enough. And then finally, do the same for your PIN over here. Record your PIN somewhere. And then the third level of security that we are going to have is this here, a secret question. You need to select a secret question. So there's a drop down box over here. So once you click on that box, there are several different questions that you can select from. Choose the question that you want to use and then enter your answer over here. Alright, and record that somewhere. One of the key points I want to give you with your secret question is that you need to remember when you write this, record your answer, your secret answer, you need to remember to record it in capital letters, because the system automatically defaults your answer to capital letters. Alright, so that means that the next time you go to use it, you need to enter your secret question answer. You actually have to enter it in capital letters. Now, just while I was speaking about that, something else popped into my head with regards to passwords. Up here with passwords, all right, and usernames, you actually can only use letters and numbers. You can't use any special characters. If you try to insert a special character in either of those, they won't be accepted. So once we've filled out everything in all of these fields, so filled out all the fields in the form, what we need to do is go ahead and enter the code down the bottom here. So the code there, once we've entered it, you will see what happens. Okay, I'm sorry, I always get these wrong. 3. And press continue. So what happens once you have pressed continue is you are redirected to this page. So here it is, your registration is confirmed, and you are told to go and check your inbox for your account activation email. So go ahead and do that. But at the same time, what it tells you over here is that you need to verify and activate to access your full VxLoop e-wallet functionality. So the whole point of creating a VX Gateway account is so that you can then go ahead and deposit funds into your chosen program, right? So to be able to do that, we need to verify and activate our account so that we can use it as an e-wallet. So that's what we need to do. We need to attach a photo or scan of your government issued photo ID to your profile to verify, or and also confirm our email address to activate. So what we can do is select continue and follow the prompts to verify and activate our account. So here we go, we're just going to press continue and wait for that to go to the next page. And there it is. This is all we need to do. I'm going to click on send email so that I can go ahead and get that email that I need to activate my account. So I'm just going to make sure, I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to pause this, I'm going to log into my email address and activate my account. I'll come back when I've got that there ready and waiting for you.